Hi everybody, welcome to Japanese Easy Study channel again. Today we are going to learn about part of body. We are going to learn about head, such as mouth, nose, ear, eyes. How to say these words in Japanese. So let's go to learn together. Head. How to say head in Japanese. Atama. Atama. Atama is mean head. Face. Face. How to say face in Japanese? Cow. Cow. When you say slowly, you can say kao. Kao. But you say faster, you can say cow. Cow. Cow is mean face. Forehead. How to say forehead in Japanese? Odeko. Odeko. Odeko is mean forehead. Cheek. How to say cheek in Japanese? Ho. Ho. When you say slowly, you can say ho. Ho. But when you say faster, you can say ho. Ho is mean cheek. Chin. How to say chin in Japanese? Ago. Ago. Ago is mean chin. Hair. How to say hair in Japanese? Kaminoke. Kaminoke. Kaminoke is mean hair. Mouth. How to say mouth in Japanese? Kuchi. Kuchi. Kuchi is mean mouth. Lip. How to say lip in Japanese? Kuchibiru. Kuchibiru. Kuchibiru is mean lip. Eyes. How to say eyes in Japanese? Me. Me. Me is mean eyes. Eyebrow. How to say eyebrow in Japanese? Mayu. Mayu. Mayu is mean eyebrow. Eyelash. How to say eyelash in Japanese? Mabuta. Mabuta. Mabuta is mean eyelash. Nose. How to say nose in Japanese? Hana. Hana is mean nose. Ears. How to say ears in Japanese? Mimi. Mimi. Mimi is mean ears. 2. How to say 2 in Japanese? Ha. Ha. Ha is mean 2. Tangu. How to say tangu in Japanese? Shita. Shita. Shita is mean tangu. Thank you very much for watching my video clip. And please help me subscribe my channel if you haven't. If you have any question, please comment below and I will answer your question later. ありがとうございました。